Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I want to talk a little bit about the importance of the visualization. I wanted to include this lesson just to show you how important this is. There are a lot of new aspiring animators who feel lazy about doing visualizations and just improvise, right? And their work is almost always low quality and with no feeling. Why? Well, because they didn't visualize it first. And then they get a lot of chaos during production and animation. So if you want to start a YouTube series, I strongly suggest you do visualizations for each episode. The visualization is just a storyboard. And as you can see, I didn't put too much energy to the storyboard of Success Sucks. Nothing amazing here. All I wanted here was to create a quick sketch of what I had in my mind and put it on paper, or in this case, in Photoshop. Now, let me tell you why a storyboard is super important during production. Here's why. Because when I'm about to create the characters and props and everything I need for the animated episode, I can know exactly everything I need. For example, like I said in an earlier lesson, from this panel, I know I need this prop, the success prop, right? And so I create that prop in production. And the way you create each episode is by checking the storyboard and drawing everything you need for each panel. And then you end up having everything you need for your animation, all the visual props, and also all the characters needed to be designed. Okay? And once you have an inventory of all the hard work you're going to put into your project, you can get an idea of how much time is going to take you. Of course, this only is the case if you want to do animation with original content. You can always use the elements provided by the designers and animators from Revolution. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. A really quick lesson, but I wanted to include it in this course just to make an extra emphasis of how important it is to do a storyboard for your animation. If you want, I included the storyboard of the animation Success Sucks, which you can download from lesson 2, the project files. Okay? Now, in the next lesson, we are going to be designing a custom PSD character in Photoshop. See you there.